Hello everyone, this is your Arnab sir. Today I discuss about the chapter Algebraic Identities. Okay, in this chapter I will discuss some formulas like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b plus c whole square, and we prove this formula by using the geometrical concept. Okay, so let's start. So at first I open the board, go to the board. So before starting the proof, at first I draw one square. Why you draw one square? Why? At first, what is the formula we have to prove? The formula is a plus b whole square. You have to find out the formula. One thing you have to notice that this is a plus b whole square. If you think clearly, you will observe that, or you will think that this means the area of what? The area of a square. The area of a square whose side equals to how much? A plus b unit. Okay, because suppose the one side of a square, this length is a, so obviously what is the area of the square? It is side square. That means side is a plus b, so obviously the area is a plus b whole square. Clear? So at first, if I take up to this length is a and this length is b. Okay, again by measuring this, at first take this is a and this is also b. You draw a parallel line. You draw which line? You draw a parallel line. Okay, and also from here you draw another parallel line. Here, yes or no? So obviously it is a, it is also b, it is a because this and this are parallel and equal, and obviously it is also a. Then we have to write it is b, it is also b, this is b, and it is also a. So one thing you have to notice that it is a square. So what is the area of the square? The area of the square is side square. That means here this area represents a square. Okay. So what is it a square? Obviously, is it a square? It is a square. So that means we have to write that the area of this square. This means this small box. It is the b square. Its area is b square. Clear? So what is the area of this rectangle? The length is a and the breadth is b. So what is the area? That is a multiple b, because we know that the area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so obviously along with this the area of this. Okay, so whenever we write down the area of the total area means by the four segment. This is first segment, this is second segment, this is third, this is fourth. If I add the four segment, obviously this is the total area of the square whose side is a plus b. Clear? So that's why we can write that. It means that, what do you mean by it? It means that it is a square plus first segment a square, second segment ab, done, third segment also ab. Okay, and fourth segment it is b square. Fourth segment it is b square. So what is the final answer? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So everyone, do you understand? So what is the geometrical meaning of a plus b whole square? It means that a square, the area of the square whose one side is a plus b. So we have to write this means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Everyone, do you understand? If you understand, I go to the next condition or next formula regarding the chapter algebraic identities. Clear? So next one, again we have to prove the formula of a minus b then whole square. Okay, so before starting the proof, at first I draw again. What is the meaning of this? It means that what is the area? This is the, it means that the area of a square whose one side equals to a minus b unit. Okay, so before starting the proof, at first I draw one square. Okay, so at first I draw one square. Clear? Yes or no? So at first we take what? Some length is a and some length it is B. Suppose we take the total length, it is the A. It is the A, okay? And we take this length is the B length. So what is the length up to this? What is the length? It is total minus B, that means A minus B. Okay. You take one thing. What is the total length? The total length is A, and up to this, it is what? It is B. So what is the length of this portion? It is A minus B. So if I draw a perpendicular line, so what is the area of this portion? The area is A minus B whole square. Okay, you have to find this portion. Okay, so at first you notice that what is the area of the total. At first you give the name. This is A, that is B, that is C, that is D, that is E, that is F, that is G, this is H. Okay, suppose what is the total area of the square? That means area of A, B, C, D. To find out the area of this portion, at first we have to find out the total, then subtract this portion, that means F, B, H, G minus F, B, H, G. Again put the minus sign. What happened? E, H, C, D. E, H, C, D. Okay. So now I put the values. What is the values of the total area? It is A square, because the side is obviously A. Clear? What is the value of this portion? It is B. So obviously this is B, and it is A minus B. So obviously what is the length of this? What is the area of this rectangle? The area of this rectangle is, what is the length? Length is B. And what is the breadth? Breadth is A minus B. Clear? What is the next one? Next one, this portion, this is A, and the total portion is obviously, this is B and this is A. So what is the length? What is the area? It is AB. So subtract AB. Clear? So if we multiply it, A square minus AB plus B square minus AB. That means we have to write A square minus 2AB plus B square. So whenever we write down the total formula in this way, obviously what is the answer? This is A, this is A minus B whole square equals to how much? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So this is the second formula regarding the square, and we prove this theorem, or we prove this formula by using the concept of geometry. Clear? So in this case, two variables are there, that means A plus B and A minus B. Okay, and we have to find the formula of A plus B whole square, and it is A minus B whole square. Okay, so next one thing we have to notice that now you might ask is, I have to find the value of A plus B plus C whole square, and we prove it by using the concept of geometry. So what is the geometrical meaning of this square? A plus B plus C whole square. That means area of a square. Again we write that area of a square, area of a square whose one side is A plus B plus C unit. That means if we add the three parts, that means A plus B plus C. So obviously this is the side of a square. Okay, so before starting the proof, at first I draw one square. Okay, we draw one square whose some portion represent, it is A, up to this it is A, up to this it is B, up to this it is C. So along with this we draw, up to this is C, up to this is B. Okay, so obviously this is the A. Again you draw the parallel line of the two line and join this line also here, this line. Okay, we draw, this is a parallel line regarding this problem. Clear? This is the parallel line, not the curved line. This is the parallel line. Okay, so at first we think that if it is A, so obviously this is A, this is A. Clear? Yes or no? So all of those length is A. If it is B, so obviously this is also B, this is also B, this is also B. If it is C, the length is also C. If it is C, this is also C, and it is also C. If it is B, it is B, it is B, it is B. If it is A, all are the A. So at first, to find out the total area means this. So what you have to find? You have to find the area of the, you have to add the area of 9 segments. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have to add the area of 9%. Then we find out the area of the square whose one side is a plus b plus c unit. That means we have to find the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. So at first, if 4 sides are equal, so obviously it is a square. Yes or no? So now my task is to write what is the area of this portion. It is a square. What is the area of this rectangle? Length a, breadth b. That means ab. What is the length? What is the area of this rectangle? That means length a, breadth c. It is ac. It is AC. Clear? So next one, if you find out the area, so obviously the area is AB. Why? Because the length is A and breadth is B. What is the area of this portion? What is the area? Both are B. So obviously it is B square. What is the area of this portion? Length is B, breadth is C. It is BC. Clear? What is the area of this rectangle? That means length A, breadth C. It is AC. Again, in the similar way, it is BC and it is C square. So if I write down, if I add the all areas to find out the formula, that I write it a square plus ab, this is a square, this is a square, this is ab, this is ac plus ac. What is the next answer? What is the next answer? Next answer is it is ac. Okay, next is ab plus b square, ab plus b square plus bc. Again you add now last 3 plus AC plus BC plus C square. If you rearrange the formulas, what is the answer? A square plus B square plus C square. That means we take at first this one, number 2, number 3. So how many ABs are there? AB and AB. 2 ABs are there, 2 AB. Then BC and BC, 2 BCs are there. It is 2 BC, 2 BC. Then again it is AC and it is also AC. So plus we have to write by hearing it, it is 2Ca. So what is the formula we have to write in the last one, in the last line? It is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is this, the formula, the geometrical meaning of this formula, it is the area of the square whose one side is a plus b plus c. So what is the formula? It is the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the third formula. Up to this today I discussed in my class. Everyone, do you understand? Yes or no? So at the beginning, at first I prove the formula of a plus b whole square. So this is the first formula today I prove in the first way. And what is the second way? In the second part, I already discussed that. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? What is the formula of a minus b whole square? In the second part, I already discussed. Okay. In the third part, I already discussed about the what is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. So in this video, I already discussed the 3 main formulas regarding the chapter algebraic identities. Okay. In this video, I already discussed 3 formulas, that is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. In the next video, I will discuss about the remaining formulas of the algebraic identities. Okay. If you like my videos, obviously share it, subscribe it, don't forget to watch. Okay. Thank you.